Westminster Abbey's 2,000-person capacity is filled to honor Britain's longest-reigning monarch on Monday. Queen Elizabeth II's funeral will be one of the largest diplomatic occasions of the century. Westminster Abbey can hold up to 2,000 people, and the congregation will be full of members of the royal family, world leaders, politicians, public figures, European royals, and those who worked closely with the Queen. So who is attending the Queen's funeral today? The Queen's family will be present to mourn their loss, with her 4 children: King Charles III, Princess Anne, Prince Andrew, and Prince Edward. In attendance alongside Camilla, the Queen Consort, Sir Timothy Laurence, and Sophie, Countess of Wessex. Other royals that are attending are Belgium's King Philippe and Queen Mathilde, Queen Margrethe II of Denmark, Crown Prince Frederik and Crown Princess Mary of Denmark, Emperor Naruhito and Empress Masako of Japan, Jordan's King Abdullah II, Prince Albert II and Princess Charlene of Monaco, King Willem-Alexander and Queen Máxima of Netherlands, Princess Beatrix of the Netherlands, King Harold V and Queen Sonia of Norway, Spain's King Philippe VI and Queen Leticia Ortiz, Spain's former King Juan Carlos I and Queen Sofia, King Carl XVI Gustav and Queen Silvia of Sweden, Tsar Simeon II or Simeon Saxe-Coburg-Gotha of Bulgaria, former King of Greece Constantine, Margrethe, the custodian of the Romanian crown, and Prince Radu Duda, and Crown Prince Alexander and Crown Princess Catherine of Serbia. Queen Elizabeth II died peacefully at 96 years old. She was succeeded by her son, Charles, Prince of Wales, who automatically ascended to the throne with her death. Queen Elizabeth II was born on April 21, 1926, in the Mayfair district in London, and was not expected to inherit the throne. This changed, however, with the abdication of King Edward VIII, which left her father next in line to succession in 1936. As the eldest child of King George VI, Elizabeth became queen in 1952 at the age of 25, following his death. The Queen's reign began a decade before the Cuban Missile Crisis and lasted through the assassination of President John F. Kennedy, the Falklands War, the fall of Berlin Wall, and the end of the Cold War, the 9/11 attacks, and the inventions of the Internet and the smartphone. As of February 2022, Queen Elizabeth has reigned for 70 years. Before her death, Queen appointed the United Kingdom's new Prime Minister, Liz Truss, in a ceremony held at her home in Balmoral, Scotland, on September 6th. Previously, she had carried out every audience with a new Prime Minister from Buckingham Palace. Most people in the UK have never known a life without Queen Elizabeth II. The period without the Queen Elizabeth II will be a period of major transformation for the United Kingdom and the Commonwealth and the world. But one thing will remain the same. There will never be another reign quite like that of Elizabeth II. We will miss her.